कोई एक देश नहीं है कि एक रिजर्व बैंक नोट छापे, दो तरह के नोट नहीं छप सकते। ये कैसे छपे, सरकार को जवाब देना पड़ेगा। ये साइन मैं दे सकता हूँ आपके सामने, साइन करके दे सकता हूँ। इन दोनों का साइन
ऐसा है तो आपको दूसरा नोटिस देना पड़ेगा।
ये मामूली बात नहीं है,
अलग नोटिस देना पड़ेगा।
ये तबाह क्यों हुआ है? ये है
भैया, अलग नोटिस देना पड़ेगा।
एक बड़ा है, छोटा
I cannot examine it now. I am not an expert. You will have to give another notice. I cannot examine the notes now. I am not an expert. I am telling you. See, honorable members, no, please. Sharad Yadav ji, Sharad Yadav, listen to me. You are showing me photocopy of notes. Please.
I can show you here.
Okay. No, I agree. But yes, Derek O'Brien, I am not an expert for this to examine this. You give separate notice, we will consider. You give separate notice. I am not the expert to examine it. You give notice.
1 minute. Give me a chance. Sir, give me a chance. 2-5. You asked for the rule.
I told you. Whatever maybe I have given the ruling. You give another notice. You give separate notice.
Sir, the notes have been tabled with your office.
I am not allowing under
Sir,
258.
the notes have been tabled with your office.
I am not allowing under
The member has tabled the
258.
notes with your office.
I am not allowing under
These are
258.
I'll give this to the finance minister. Please ask for it. Sir, the notes have been tabled by the member. अब बोलिए ना।
Yes, give it to finance minister. I have no objection.
Sir, the notes have been tabled.
There is no such provision that you can flash any paper at any time and say it's a point of order. There are rules under which you give notice. You start raising issues with regard to the currency of the country in this manner, and such irresponsible statements are made. There is a misuse of 0 hour going on, and it should not be permitted at all.
So 258. 258.
No, sir. No, why don't you give notice, separate notice?
You'll get a reply. You'll get a reply how frivolous your whole
I have
case
not
is.
received.
You have been raising, once you raised the issue of Nota, it was found out that it was during your government that it was issued. You have been raising frivolous issues every day in the 0 hour without giving notice, so that they can't be verified.
Okay, in any case, you have to give another notice. You have to give another notice. I have to proceed. You have to give another notice. No, please.
Well.
Further allow. No. 267 notice. No.
Which are different in size,
It is
different
not
in marking.
It is not to be discussed on the point of order. That is all what I am saying.
For the credibility of the currency in circulation has been challenged as like today.
So you,
never before in the history
you
of
give
the country.
it in any case. It is not to be discussed under point of order. You can give another. It cannot be taken up under point of order. You give, if you want, you give another notice. See, there are provisions in the rules. You can give other notices. You can give other notices. Now, please, 267, 3PL Punia 267, not allowed. No, Diggivijay ji, I am only saying, Diggivijay ji, I am only saying that this cannot be discussed under point of order. You give separate notice. We will examine. The chairman will examine. The chairman will examine. The chairman, honorable chairman will examine. Honorable chairman will examine it. No. Only Honorable chairman will examine it. Sit down. If you are given notice, that will be examined. Sit down. Now, if you are given notice, honorable chairman will examine it. Now you sit down.
Under 169.
I told you, if notice has already, see, under what rule you have given notice? 169. 169. Okay, under 169 or 167, if you are given notice, there is a procedure. Honorable Chairman will examine it and come back to the House. Come back to the House. PL Punia.
ये इतना बड़ा घोटाला हुआ है, इतना बड़ा घोटाला है, इसके बारे में ये घोटाला हुआ है, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने किया है, इसके ऊपर
Naresh Agarwal, both have given 0 hour notice. I will go to 0 hour. Where is 0 hour notice? 0 hour Pramod Tiwari.
छप रही है भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए, एक नोट छप रही है देश के कल्याण के लिए। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने देश के साथ कितना बड़ा विश्वासघात किया है, ये देश के साथ धोखा है, ये इस सदी का सबसे बड़ा घोटाला है जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने किया है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार दो तरह की नोटें छपवा रही है, एक भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए और एक भारत के देश के लिए। ये सबसे बड़ी घोटालेबाज भ्रष्ट सरकार है। इस समय देश को ये लूट रहे हैं, आप सारे नियम कानून छोड़कर देश के बैंकों में। इसीलिए मैंने ये जो नोटिस दी इसलिए दी है कि बैंक के जो ग्रामीण अंचलों में हैं वहाँ कोई पैसा इसलिए नहीं है कि जो पैसा है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं को दिया जा रहा है। आज